What's going on, YouTube family? David here, back with another cryptocurrency video, and today we are talking about BITTORRENT token, and is it still worth your investment or is it too late? But first, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and drop down, click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I talk about on cryptocurrency. But first, before we jump on the charts, we're going to actually look at CoinMarketCap and check out the live data. So today, BITTORRENT token is currently trading at 0.002 or 26% of a penny with a 24-hour trading volume of $159,517,577. BITTORRENT is down just 4.5% in the last 24 hours. It is currently ranked number 3 on CoinMarketCap. Okay, so moving down, we can take a look at the page here. Also want to mention, if you're looking to invest in BITTORRENT token after you watch this video, of course, here is a bunch of markets that you can take a look at. Currently, Binance and HG are the top dogs, and you can rank them by volume. As you can see, 40% of the volume right now is coming through HG. Then you have BitXN, Binance, and my favorite that I use, okex. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and jump on TradingView, and we'll go ahead and take a look and see what we find on the chart and if it's worth investing in. Okay, guys, so we are on TradingView.com. We have a daily chart of BITTORRENT token pulled up. And the first question we have to ask ourselves is, what type of trader are we? And what I mean by that is, are we a day trader, which is a very fast moving position, you're in and out in seconds or maybe even a day? Or are we an investor like myself, where we're planning on holding this for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? So first, we're going to address the day trader, because that might be yourself. So this part of the video would be for you. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in on the last couple days here, okay? And if we look, we're forming, real quick, we're forming a humongous wedge on this daily chart. So that is going to play an important role in the decision we do. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in. All right, and you can see back on the 22nd, we kind of bottomed out on this 0.0020 mark. Okay, so if you're like, David, you know what, I really want to invest in BITTORRENT right now, I'm going to put in 500 bucks, whatever. I want to put it in right now. Okay, you can see these moving averages right here. They're acting as resistance. So this 33 weighted moving average, you can see right here, back on June 4th, it broke above it and then sold off, okay? And then a second consecutive day, all right, same thing. So if we wanted to make a quick buck and flip BITTORRENT and make a profit, and we want to go long, we would want to look for support and resistance, okay? So we can see clear resistance with this moving average right here, okay? We even had a couple days ago, actually yesterday, July 5th, okay? This candle, all right, it opened here, came up a little bit and closed, all right? You call it a rejection. So basically, if you want to make some money and put a position right now, you're most likely you would lose money, because look, here's our support right here. We're rejected here, we're rejected here, we're rejected here. Most likely, guys, and this is speculation, this is not financial advice, do your own research, okay? This is David on YouTube trying to help you make better decisions on your trading, okay? Just putting that disclaimer out there. You're likely, if you opened a long position and you had a 2% stop loss or whatever, just pulling wild numbers out, you most likely would be in the red, because most likely in the near future, in the next couple of days, we are going to have what appears, based on the chart, not nothing else, it looks like it's going to retest this line right here, okay? So now, let's talk about if you're an investor like myself. This, what I just went over, is pretty relevant, okay? Because we have support right here. The next thing you would want to take a look at is this pattern right here, this wedge that we're forming, okay? If you're trying to hold this for a year or two, it's not as important where you buy in at. It is still important, but it's not as important because if, let's say you want to hold this for 10 years, BitTorrent and cryptocurrency is so new compared to stocks and other things. It's so new. This has only been trading for a little over 2 years. If you were to buy right now, set and forget it, and then come back in 10 years, I mean, I can't even tell you what the price of this stuff was. We're so new, we're so early to this stuff, to this cryptocurrency right now, that your position, your entry wouldn't really be as important. Yeah, you'd probably want to wait and try to get the best spot, but hence 22, you're not really too worried about where you go. You could buy right here with confidence and say, hey, you know what, in 10 years, I'm most likely going to be in the green. I'm majorly going to be in the green. So one other thing I want to show you guys before I wrap up the video. This is how early we are. Wait, I got to find what I'm looking for. Hang on, guys. Measurement. Okay, here we go. No, I don't want that. Okay, get off. Okay, here we go. So the all-time high, a penny, almost penny and a half. Okay. We're going to click on here. And we're going to go all the way down here. Okay. You can see, based on this information, 92 bars, 92 days later, okay, we had an all-time high. We're currently down over a penny and a 15th. We're down over 81% from the all-time high. So we basically gave away 80% of its value. So guys, this 0.0020, or actually 0.0026, that's so close to zero. It's ridiculous how much we gave away. And that's, I mean, that's due to the part that Bitcoin lost half its value. We had a correction in the market, or even if some people are calling it a bear market. I don't know if it's technically a bear market, but it gave away over half its freaking value. So you're in a very good spot right here if you decide to invest. Guys, not financial advice. Do your own research. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, like the video, leave some comments, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.